Sa video natin today, hihimayin natin yung zero access encryption ng ProtonMail at sasagutin yung madalas na question na sino ba talaga ang nakakabasa ng emails mo kapag ProtonMail ang gamit mo. Kamusta kayo guys? Ako si Ashley Robots at kung naranasan mo nang parang awkward mag-send ng private stuff sa Gmail o Word ka na baka may sumisilip sa inbox mo, this is a must watch. Pag-uusapan natin kung paano pinoprotektahan ng ProtonMail ang messages mo, whether they're as secure as they claim and what that actually means for you in real life on paper. So simulan natin, ano nga ba ang ProtonMail? Ito ay isang secure na email service created by a group of scientists and engineers back in 2014. Switzerland has some of the strongest privacy laws in the world, so that's already a good start. But what really sets it apart is its claim to provide true end-to-end encryption at yung tinatawag na zero access encryption. In simple terms, sinasabi ng ProtonMail na kahit sila mismo, not their staff, not their servers, not even their legal team can read your emails. Ang tanong, totoo ba to? And what exactly does that look like under the hood? Silipin natin. So ito yung main claim nila, gumagamit ang ProtonMail ng system kung saan yung encryption key mo basically parang susi na nagla-lock and nag-open ng emails mo, never leaves your device in readable form. Ibig sabihin nakasave ang emails mo sa Proton servers in encrypted form at ikaw lang ang may key to decrypt that. Kaya kahit may mag-hack sa Proton servers o bigyan sila ng court order, the data stored on their end would be useless without your private key. Unless you give that up, no one can open your emails. That's what makes this setup zero access. Ang only exception lang ay yung mga emails na galing o papunta sa users na walang ProtonMail. Yung messages na yon hindi automatic na end-to-end encrypted unless you enable extra settings or use Proton Secure Message feature. Kaya kahit nakaramihan ng inbox mo ay fully private, may ilang messages na hindi pasok sa zero access. Pero kapag nakapag-communicate ka with fellow ProtonMail users o nagsisend ka ng password-protected messages gamit ang secure link system nila, that's when the privacy really kicks in. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ng ilang sa key features ng ProtonMail. Una, end-to-end encryption. Yung messages between Proton users ay automatic na naka-encrypt from the moment you hit send and the moment it's opened. No one in between, including Proton, can read them. Number 2 ay zero access encryption. Kahit drafts, notes, o kahit anong clutter sa inbox mo, it's all encrypted before it hits their servers. Ibig sabihin, hindi ma-access ng ProtonMail ang content ng inbox mo. Ikaw lang talaga ang may access. Number 3 ay Swiss-based jurisdiction. Sa Switzerland, sobrang higpit ng privacy laws nila. Kahit may foreign government na gustong kunin ang data mo, kailangan pa nilang dumaan sa Swiss court. And even then, ProtonMail may not be able to hand everything over kasi they don't have the keys. Number 4 ay secure message links para sa non-Proton users. Kung yung ka-email mo ay hindi gumagamit ng ProtonMail, pwede mo pa rin silang padahalhan ng secure end-to-end encrypted message gamit ang password-protected link. This keeps the message privacy standard across platforms. Number 5 ay open source at audited. Ibig sabihin, open source ang code ng ProtonMail at regular tong ina-audit. That means experts can look inside and verify that Proton is doing what they say they're doing at ilang beses na rin silang pumapasa sa audits na nagko-confirm nito. Number 6 ay two-phase authentication. You can lock your account down even tighter with two-phase authentication. Kahit may makaalam ng password mo, hindi pa rin sila makakapasok kung wala silang access sa device mo. Number 7 ay self-destructing emails. You can actually set emails automatically delete themselves after a certain amount of time. Super useful to lalo na kung sensitive o time-sensitive ang laman ng message. Number 8 ay separate encryption para sa subject lines. Karamihan sa email providers, hindi nila ini-encrypt ang subject line but ProtonMail actually does. Maliit na detail to, pero it adds another layer of protection that people often overlook. Okay, real talk muna tayo about the good and not so good. Simulan natin sa pros. Ang ProtonMail's biggest strength is its zero access encryption. It's not just marketing term, totoong system siya na halos imposibleng makabasa ng emails mo ng kahit sino kundi ikaw. That alone makes it stand out. Yung Swiss jurisdiction nila adds even more protection, lalo na para sa mga nakatira sa countries na sobrang higpit ng surveillance. Madali rin gamitin ang service nila. May clean interface and simple lang ang tools, kaya kahit wala kang tech background, magagamit mo pa rin to. You also get added features tulad ng secure link sharing, encrypted subject lines, at open source transparency, all of which reinforce that this platform really puts privacy first. Punta naman tayo sa downsides. One limitation is that end-to-end encryption only works automatically between ProtonMail users. Kung karamihan sa contacts mo ay nasa Gmail, Outlook, o ibang provider, you'll need to take extra steps to protect those emails. Okay pa rin yung free plan, pero limited pa rin pagdating sa storage and features. So, kung isa kang power user, malamang kailangan mo mag-upgrade sa paid plan. At dahil privacy first si ProtonMail, wala siyang lahat ng fancy features na meron ng mainstream email providers. So, things like calendar syncing or third-party integrations are a bit limited. Okay, now silipin naman natin yung iba't ibang plans, pricing options, and how to get started. So if you want to follow along, make sure you use our exclusive link sa description sa baba para makuha mo yung best price possible. Kapag kinlik mo yung link, we can go ahead and click Create Secure Email. Ito na lahat ng options. Pwede kang magbayad ng monthly or yearly, pero kung yearly ka magbabayad, makakatipid ka ng 25%. Tulad ng sabi ko, they do have a free plan. So this just gives you 1 GB of storage, 1 user, and 1 email address. Meron na rin silang Mail Plus at makakatipid ka ng 20% off if you pay for 1 year. Ang plan na to ay $3.99 per month. Kasama dito ang 15 GB na storage, isang user, 10 extra email addresses, support for 1 custom email domain, unlimited folders and labels, 10 hide my email aliases, priority customer support, and you get mail and calendar. Next ay yung Proton Unlimited plan and you can save 23% off of this plan. Kaya magiging $9.99 na lang siya per month. Sa plan na to, you get 500 GB na storage, 1 user, 15 extra email addresses, support na parang 3 custom email domains, unlimited folders and labels, unlimited hide my email aliases, dedicated customer support, ultra-fast and private VPN, encrypted password manager, encrypted cloud storage para sa photos and documents, and advanced account protection. Premium value is also included. Meron kang access sa mail, calendar, VPN, drive, pass, and wallet. Ang daming extra features na kasama sa unlimited plan. Lastly, Proton Duo, at dito ka talaga makakatipid ng malaki. May 25% off to kung naka-annual plan ka. This comes out to just $14.99 a month, but again, that's billed annually. Sa plan na to, you get 1 TB storage, pwedeng up to 2 users, at 30 extra email addresses. Meron ka ring support for 3 custom email domains, unlimited folders and labels, unlimited hide my email aliases, dedicated customer support, and then the ultra-fast and private VPN, encrypted password manager, advanced account protection, at yung Proton Scribe Writing Assistant. Kaya again, make sure na piliin mo yung plan that best fits your needs. Pwede ka rin magsimula sa free plan, pero ang cool part sa lahat ng paid plans nila ay meron silang 30-day money-back guarantee, kaya kung hindi ka satisfied, you can get your money back, no questions asked. So sige, piliin natin yung free plan so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. Kailangan mo lang gumawa ng username and password. Pwede ka rin mag-setup ng recovery method kung gusto mo. Meron din silang desktop app na pwede mong i-download if you want. Go ahead and change the look. Okay, so as you can see, sobrang simple and straightforward lang gamitin. Ito ang inbox mo. Dito mo makikita lahat ng emails mo. Nandito rin ng draft, sent, start, tapos meron ding archive, spam, and trash. Basic lang talaga, parang regular email. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng folders and labels. Kung gusto mo magsulat ng email, ilagay mo lang yung to, from, and subject. Again, straightforward, just like a regular email. Pero you can also schedule if you would like. Dito mo naman pwedeng i-encrypt yung message mo. Pwede kang maglagay ng password and password hint. Tapos, iset mo rin yung encryption dito mismo, and then you can just throw it away if you don't want it. Kung gusto mo mag-upgrade, i-click mo lang dito. Tapos, sa right side, makikita mo yung contacts mo, calendar, security center, and yung VPN. Ulitin ko lang, para ma-access lahat yan, baka kailangan mo munang mag-upgrade. So again, sobrang intuitive at madali lang gamitin. The big question is, who can actually read your emails? Kung tama ang paggamit mo ng Proton Mail communicating with other Proton users using their secure message links, the answer is just you and the person you're sending it to. At ayun na yun. Hindi mababasa ng Proton ang inbox mo. Kahit ng government, hindi pwedeng humingi ng copy. Kahit hackers, wala silang maintindihan sa data mo. Kahit sa worst case scenario, naka-encrypt pa rin lahat ng nakastore sa servers nila. And without your personal decryption key, it's meaningless. Pero sa kabilang banda, kung nagsisend ka ng emails o gumagamit ng Gmail o Yahoo na hindi naka-enable yung secure options, partial lang ang protection ng messages na yon. Yung message na nasa inbox ng other provider server ay hindi na under Proton's encryption rules. Hindi yan flaw ng Proton Mail. Ganyan lang talaga yung sistema kapag iba't ibang platform ang gamit sa email. The bottom line is, if you care about privacy and want control over who can see your data, Proton Mail is one of the best options out there. Ang cool thing about sa Proton Mail ay yung peace of mind na hindi binubuksan o binibenta yung inbox mo para sa ads. You don't have to trade privacy for convenience anymore. At kung gusto mong i-try kahit free version lang, gamitin mo yung link namin sa baba. Gusto ko lang ipaalam na affiliate links to ha. Ibig sabihin, we do earn a small commission and no extra cost for you. Kaya kung gagamitin mo man to, sobrang thank you namin in advance for your support. It just really helps us continue to make videos like this. Diyan na nagtatapos ang video na to. Ang channel na to ay dedicated para tulungan ka maging private, protected, at may control sa digital life mo. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and mag-subscribe sa channel at mag-iwan ng comments or questions below. We would absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.